folks, and welcome back to Financial Guide, the channel that makes managing your money as easy as pie. Today, we're taking a leap into the world of financial goal setting. But hold on, this isn't your ordinary finance talk. We're making it as thrilling as an adventure and as fun as your favorite video game. Imagine being on a quest, only this time, your mission is to save for that brand new gaming console you've been eyeing, or that dream vacation you've been daydreaming about. It's about turning the mundane act of saving money into an exciting journey, where each penny saved gets you closer to your ultimate prize. So if you're ready to embark on this adventure, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to set sail into the uncharted waters of fun-filled finance. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're diving right in. Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see your friends post from their dream vacation, sipping a tropical drink on a white sandy beach. Suddenly, a light bulb goes off. You want that too, but how? Well, it's time to set some financial goals. Think of it like setting a target in your favorite video game, only this time it's your real-life adventure. You need to decide what you want. Is it the latest gaming console or perhaps that dream vacation? Once you've pinpointed your goal, it becomes your mission. Why is this important, you ask? Because when you have a mission, saving money suddenly transforms into an exciting game. Each dollar saved pulls you closer to your dream, making it more tangible, more achievable. It's like leveling up in your favorite game. Only this time, the reward is even sweeter because it's something you truly desire. Once you've set your goal, it becomes your mission. And that's when the fun begins. So, how can you do it? Start by figuring out how much money you need for your gaming console or dream vacation. This number is your target, your end boss in the game of savings. Now, imagine your budget as your game plan. It's a map guiding you through the different levels of your savings journey. How much of your allowance or part-time job earnings can you put aside each week or month? This is your strategy, your key to unlocking that final boss level. But remember, even the best gamers don't win every time. If you slip up and spend more than you planned, don't worry. Just hit the reset button and start again. Now let's make it even more fun. Get yourself a savings jar or open a dedicated bank account for your goal. Give it a cool name like Epic Loot Chest or Dream Vacation Fund. Every time you put money in, it's like you're collecting coins or power-ups in a game. Now let's talk about some power moves. Why not take this journey up a notch? Turn your savings adventure into a friendly competition with your friends. Who can save the most for their goal in a month? It's all in good fun and it keeps you motivated. And how about leveling up your financial knowledge? There's a treasure trove of resources out there that can help you become a financial wizard. Watch more videos like this, read books, or even ask your parents or a mentor about saving and investing. The more you learn, the better you'll get at this game of savings. Remember, setting financial goals isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about becoming disciplined, learning to prioritize, and understanding the value of money. So young adventurers, are you ready to embark on this exciting quest? Until next time, this is Financial Guide, helping you power up your financial future and have a blast doing it. See you in the next video.